This video explains how to install the convenient stapler onto a Xerox VersaLink C415 color multifunction printer. Press the power button, then touch Power Off. To prevent personal injury, unplug both ends of your power cord. Unbox the convenient stapler and remove the packaging material. To install the convenient stapler, remove the column covers. Position the stapler properly and insert into the printer until it clicks into place. Connect the power supply adapter to the convenient stapler. Position and insert the cable properly into the printer column and at the back of the printer. Replace the column cover back in. Connect the power supply to the electrical outlet. The new convenient stapler is ready. When the blue light turns on, perform a staple test. Plug in both ends of your power cord and power on the printer.